For today's video, we'll explore the lives and musical contributions of three of the most influential composers of the classical period: Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, Johann Sebastian Bach. The classical period in music, spanning roughly from 750 to 1820, represents a significant shift in musical style, marked by a move away from the intricate polyphony of the Baroque era towards a clearer, more balanced, and often lighter sound. Classical composers sought to create music that was clear, simple, and elegant. They embraced homophony, a texture characterized by a clear melody supported by chords, as opposed to the complex polyphony of the Baroque. This shift towards simplicity resulted in a lighter, more transparent. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a pivotal figure in classical music, revolutionizing symphony, opera, concerto, and chamber music with his innovative use of melody, harmony, and drama. Mozart, a genius of the classical era, was born in Salzburg, Austria on January 27, 1756. He died tragically young at 35 in Vienna, Austria on December 5, 1791. Mozart's mother, Anna Maria, was a dedicated and supportive figure in his life. She accompanied him on his travels and helped manage his career. Leopold Mozart, Wolfgang's father, was a renowned violinist, composer, and teacher who gave his son his first music lessons and guided his career. Amadeus Mozart married Constanza Weber in 1786. They had 6 children together. Constanza was a talented musician, though not as famous as her husband. Ludwig van Beethoven was a German composer who bridged the classical and romantic eras. He is considered one of the greatest composers of all time, known for his powerful and expressive music. Beethoven was born in Bonn, Germany, and showed musical talent early on. His father, a musician, pushed him to excel. He moved to Vienna in 1792, studied with Haydn, and became a renowned pianist. He developed his own unique style influenced by Haydn and Mozart. Beethoven's mother, Maria Magdalena Kevret, was a significant presence in his early life. While she wasn't a professional musician, she was known for her beautiful singing voice and played the piano. Beethoven's father, Johann, was a musician in the court orchestra in Bonn. He was a strict father who pushed his son, Ludwig, to excel in music. Johann Sebastian Bach was a German composer and organist who lived during the Baroque period. He is considered one of the greatest composers of all time, known for his mastery of counterpoint, fugue, and organ music. Bach was born into a family of musicians in Eisenach, Germany. His father and brother taught him music, and he quickly showed talent on the organ and violin. Bach's mother, she was the daughter of a baker and married Johann Ambrosius Bach in 1684. Sadly, Elizabeth passed away when Bach was only 9 years old, and he was left to deal with the loss of his mother at a young age. Johann Sebastian Bach's father, Johann Ambrosius, was a town musician who taught him the basics of music. Unfortunately, his father died when he was 10 years old. Bach was married twice, first to Maria Barbara from 1707 to 1720, and then to Anna Magdalena from 1721 to 1750. His first wife died tragically after just 13 years of marriage while Bach was traveling.